If you are a beginner in the civil services examination journey, then this video is for you, because I know you are confused. Most of the times the beginners are confused regarding how to start their preparation journey. So I will be helping you with the best strategies that you can use in your preparation journey. I am Gawthaman Mohan. I am a civil services examination trainer and academic head at IPM IAS Academy. I am conducting a 2-hour webinar exclusively for the beginners for civil services examination. So you can join for this because it is completely free and I am only admitting 30 students for this. Because we are doing a lot of activities and a lot of assignments during the webinar process itself, so that you can understand the examination in a better way and we can plan together your preparation journey. After you finish this program, you will have a clear-cut plan regarding how to start your preparation journey. So don't wait, just register for the program.